Yo, what's up guys? Shit. I'm gonna that should be better. Anyways, today is gonna be a major long vlog. Goodness gracious. There's a lot I'm going to be talking about because yesterday and the day before I did not vlog. I couldn't. I think the day before or one of these days, I'm not getting my days mixed up, but my phone is just being weird and it's not uploading my videos fast as usual. I hope I don't need to get a new phone. I won't. But I'm walking to work. It's about 3:40. I don't have to be in until 4:30. I'm going to close tonight. I think usually Micah closes Sundays. So I don't close. Oh yeah, I do close Sundays. Never mind. I'm closing with Rachel tonight. Like this video, dislike this video, comment below, guys. Subscribe, and don't forget to share because you do not see a restaurant's dishwasher on YouTube. It's gonna be a good Sunday. The weekend, that will be in another few minutes, maybe in 10 more minutes. I don't know. I know this vlog will be just me talking, but I'll try to give you guys some footage of me working because today's Sunday. It's going to be very slow for a Sunday. Someday I'll buy a tripod soon. I've been meaning to buy a small little tripod or a stick that can hold on to the phone, my phone, that can hold on to you guys specifically. So you guys aren't always shaking when you're watching me. I know you probably don't mind, but I would certainly love a steady shot every time I vlog. I literally just skated all the way to work. I'm pretty much sure I could see my job right now. I hope y'all are doing okay. Comment below. Only my regular viewers comment on my videos. Not that that's bad. I love that my viewers are watching me. My viewers, my subscribers, my dishes. I still have a small bit of that alien vodka bottle. That night, I think it was Dakota. I know he was there, Daniel was there, Chris was there, Christina was there, my uncle came. A good amount of people came that night. I bought that bottle, that awesome outer space vodka. But we all got fucked up, as you've seen in that video. Plus, yeah, you've seen me get fucked up, but the next day, it was nice. The night going into the day. So I woke up that night. I felt alright. I kind of felt bad still, but I felt okay. There was a lot of cars. Let's do this. Yeah. It'll be a good day. Anyways, what was I talking about before I didn't almost die, but I was just watching my life. Yeah, it's very boring. There's nobody in the parking lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. No. 9 cars. If not 8. Yeah. You add like 5 more cars. I think it's maybe 6. Those are all the workers. Me, this is my car. My little baby right here. Yeah. But this start of this vlog is Sunday's vlog. I'm going to be doing right as I'm talking about yesterday and the day before. I'm going to be doing today, Sunday. Oh, I can only hope you guys could see this, because I'm going to be uploading. Trying to, at least. Someday I will get myself some motherfucking internet, Wi-Fi, whatever us crazy humans need. We love technology. It's very hot. But, yeah, I keep looking around because there could be cars behind me. There's a lot of cars in this little mini shopping district that I work in. There's a Costco, Buffalo Wild Wings, Michael's Craft Store, my pizza restaurant, a pho restaurant, Hoo Hot Mongolian Grill, Panera Bread, Chick-fil-A, The Joint, a chiropractic area, Andy's Frozen Yogurt, AT&T, and a T-Mobile place. Maybe the back door's open so I can go in through the back. Oh, plus there's a movie theater. Yes, the back door is open. Cool. Sometimes it's not. Sometimes it is not open. Now let's see if I walked in through a lot of dishes. To a lot of dishes. Hopefully not. Yeah, that's how we start the Sunday. So I've seen this penny board. Whose penny board is that? So, hugs for my nugs or something? Hugs for my thugs? I don't know. I want to make a rhyme right now. But I'm going into work. I don't know whose penny board that is. But I'm going to steal it if it's here for the next few days. Tyler! What's up, Patrick? Hold it. Blah! That's what it's about, bro. Looks like you killed it. Did you walk into a good amount? Oh, goodness gracious. Good stuff. I'm back in the apartment. My viewers, my dishes, my subscribers. I suppose I could just talk about what happened today first, and then I'll get right to what happened following after my last vlog. I still have that bottle, by the way. It was a good, slow day. I cut my finger. I'm currently playing Fallout 4 like usual. If you guys have played Fallout 4, comment, let me know. I still haven't found my son, but it'll happen soon, in time. I walked into work today. Today being, well, today's vlog, I guess. I don't know. Right now it's currently 5:14, but yeah, all the information from today throughout the past 4 days that I haven't really uploaded. Walked into work, Patrick was there. I guess we're gonna have another new dishwasher, which supposedly will be okay. We always need help. Well, I know me and Deborah does. Hopefully. His name's Mario. I haven't seen him yet, but my bosses Andrea and Micah told me that he was in a halfway house, so hopefully he stays for a good amount of time. Who knows? This restaurant's a trip that I work at. This is
It's a lot to handle, guys. But like I say all the time, no matter what, we're dishwashers. We get things done. There will always be piles of dishes. People, the servers, cooks will always bring us dishes and have dishes unorganized. But we got this. You guys, my viewers. Yeah. I got into work at 4. 30 minutes early. It was nice. It was really good. I took my homegirl, Faith. She's a really great female and a great person, a good human being. But me and her were riding along down the road. I took her to her friends. She has a cute little chihuahua right there. You guys can't really tell, but he's sleeping. Such a cute little chihuahua. I wanted to vlog it, but I just couldn't. The cute little chihuahua is named Chulo, but it was cute. She had that cute little dog in her backpack while she was riding a bike, and I was on my skateboard. I guess though Patrick wasn't supposed to be in today, something, I don't know. Or he was at prep today and he was at no call or something, I don't know. My boss, Andrea, she was a little pissed, but I seen him there, which was odd. It was very slow. I hate Sundays, but I got shit done. I didn't get out till 3 a.m., like literally, but I got everything done. Tomorrow, they should be okay. Everybody should be okay with how the kitchen looks. As for yesterday, Saturday, well, yesterday and the day before, Friday and Saturday. I just died. I literally just died. Life. Barely at level 14. But Friday and Saturday. I don't really usually like talking about those days. I just want to end my vlogs or talk about my vlog and end it with a dab. Quick. But it was unfortunate those 2 days because, yeah, I may have gone into work early, but there was piles of dishes everywhere, not washed. It was crazy. I had to pick up. I was playing catch up for literally about 2 hours. But I get shit done. Me and Patrick and Deborah. She's still on vacation. It's stressful. It's a lot to do, guys. But I gotta do it. I like doing it. Plus, I gotta make a video and vlog about it, talk about it. You guys thought I left, thought I stopped vlogging, but no. My phone's just retarded. Yeah. It was a good weekend though. I closed everything. I made sure everything was good. Oh, we got new curtains. I'll vlog that the next time. I wish I could have showed you. But new curtains for my dishwasher. They're blue. I'm so happy. It's really cool. Thursday. I worked Thursday. Thursday was very boring, as well as Sunday, but a lot of business. Oh, Piper. Oh, when I mean a lot of business, just a lot of random ass humans wanting to come into a restaurant before we close. What can I do? What can we do as the only employees that are there? We handled it. Everyone handled it. It was good. It was a good weekend. What else? Yeah. That pretty much it, guys. Thursday. Well, yeah. You guys see me get fucking hammered in a sense on that. Do anything. I'm sorry, I'm looking at my armor on my game. Yeah. After that vlog, I chilled, got fucked up, but I woke up, I felt better, and one of my friends asked me, cause they were awake and they were really troubled. They're having an unfortunate, situation in their life, and they asked me, it was maybe 4 a.m., maybe 3, but it was right after the vlog, and, I went over there. It was raining really fucking bad. I walked all the way over there. It was about where I used to live, at Grandma's. Chilled there, comforted that friend, made sure he was alright. Life's a trip. That was it, guys. It wasn't really nothing, but fuck. I had to tell you guys everything that happened. You guys and myself. 370 subscribers. Fuck. Like this video, dislike this video. Comment below, guys. Give me some feedback, always. I read every comment. We're dishwashers. It's another day, another dollar. I'm dabbing dishwasher, guys. Just know, humans, there's always a brighter side to life. So, stay positive. Question mark. About 35,000 views. Congrats, me. That's a lot of views for a dishwasher. Until tomorrow, or the next vlog, guys. Don't worry, I won't stop.